Imagine having an extra $500 in your pocket. Sounds good, right? In this digital age, the internet is not just a tool for communication or information. It's a vast marketplace, an open field of opportunities where anyone with a knack for innovation and persistence can earn a good chunk of change. And we're not talking about pennies here. We're talking about a cool $500. Now, you might be thinking, but isn't making money online complicated? Well, it doesn't have to be. There are numerous ways to make money online, and some of them are even pretty straightforward. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. We're going to dive into the world of online earning and shed some light on how you can make $500 online the easy way. So buckle up and get ready to discover how you can make $500 online the easy way. First stop on our journey, the bustling world of freelancing platforms. Imagine a marketplace brimming with opportunities, where skills meet demand, and everyone has a shot at success. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are prime examples. They're teeming with quick gigs, from graphic design to writing, programming to digital marketing. And the best part? You set your own rates. But how do you stand out in a sea of talent? By creating an attractive profile, showcase your skills, flaunt your experience, and don't shy from showing off your past projects. A well-written description can be your ticket to getting noticed. Remember, it's all about selling your services, so make sure to highlight what sets you apart. Think of these freelancing platforms as a stage and your profile as your spotlight. With a bit of skill and a dash of creativity, these platforms can be your goldmine. Next, we dive into the realm of micro-jobs and tasks. These are small, quick tasks that anyone can do, and they're a fantastic way to earn money online. We're talking about platforms like Amazon's Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, or Micro Workers, where you can pick up tasks ranging from data entry, transcription, testing websites, to even taking photos. What's great about micro jobs is the flexibility they offer. You can do them whenever you have some spare time, and you can choose tasks that match your skills and interests. Whether you're a whiz at spotting errors in a text, a pro at quick research, or you have a knack for giving feedback on website usability, there's a micro job out there for you. The earnings from each task might seem small at first, but they quickly add up. It's like filling a jar with small coins. Before you know it, you've got a tidy sum. Remember, every little bit adds up. Now let's talk about turning your opinions into cash. You'd be surprised at how many platforms out there are willing to pay for your thoughts through surveys or reviews. These sites like Swagbucks or Vindale Research can be a goldmine if you know how to maximize your earnings. First, remember to be honest. Companies value authenticity, and it's crucial for the integrity of market research. While it might be tempting to rush through surveys, quality responses can often lead to more opportunities down the line. Secondly, diversify your platforms. Don't limit yourself to one or two sites. The more platforms you sign up for, the more surveys you can access, and the more money you can make. Finally, consistency is key. Regular participation ensures a stable flow of surveys your way, which translates to a more steady income. And there you have it. Who knew your thoughts could be this valuable? Ever considered becoming a salesperson of the digital age? That's essentially what affiliate marketing is all about. You promote products or services provided by other companies and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique referral link. It's a win-win situation. The company gets more sales, and you get a cut of the profits. If you're just starting out, there are plenty of affiliate programs that are beginner-friendly. Amazon Associates, for example, offers a vast array of products to promote, from books to electronics. Alternatively, ClickBank focuses on digital products like ebooks and online courses. It's important to choose products that align with your interests or expertise. After all, it's easier to promote something you genuinely believe in. And remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight. It requires time and patience. With the right products and audience, affiliate marketing can be your ticket to $500. Guess what? That old stuff gathering dust can turn into cash. Seriously, it's a goldmine. Platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace are perfect for selling unused or secondhand items. From that vintage lamp you never use, to the designer jeans that no longer fit, there's a potential buyer out there. But how do you make a successful sale? First, take clear, well-lit photos from multiple angles. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Next, write a detailed description. Honesty is key, so make sure to note any flaws or signs of wear. Price your item competitively, but don't undersell yourself. Research similar items to get an idea of the market value. Finally, provide excellent customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly and ship items quickly. So why not start today? Look around, you might just find treasures lying around your home. it's time to turn your clutter into cash. Got a skill? There's probably someone out there willing to pay for it. The beauty of the internet is it brings together people from all over the globe, creating a marketplace for skills that's virtually unlimited. Whether you're a whiz at graphic design, a master wordsmith, or an organizational guru, you can monetize your skills by offering online services. So, how do you get started? First, you'll need to identify your marketable skill. Next, consider platforms like Fiverr or Upwork where you can offer your services. These platforms are like virtual storefronts where potential clients can browse your offerings. But remember, competition can be fierce. So how do you stand out? By marketing your skills effectively. This could involve having a compelling profile, showcasing your portfolio, and gathering positive reviews. Above all, ensure your work is top-notch. Satisfied clients often lead to repeat business and referrals, which can boost your earnings significantly. Your skills are your most valuable asset. Use them. Knowledge is power, but it can also be money. The internet has opened up a plethora of opportunities for those with expertise in a particular subject or field. Online tutoring and consulting platforms have made it possible to monetize your skills without even leaving your home. Whether you're a math whiz, a language enthusiast, a business strategist, or a wellness coach, there's a market for your knowledge. Sites like Chegg, Wyzant, or Skillshare connect tutors with students across a wide range of subjects. Similarly, consulting platforms such as Clarity.fm or Coach.me allow professionals to provide guidance to those seeking advice in their field. All you need is a strong internet connection, a quiet space to work, and the passion to teach or guide others. Success in this domain comes from a combination of expertise, effective communication, and marketing your services to the right audience. Teach, consult, earn, it's that simple. Welcome to the world of digital products. It's a realm where creativity meets technology and the possibilities are as vast as your imagination. Consider this. You have a talent, a skill, or knowledge that others might find valuable. Why not package that into a digital product and sell it online? You could create an ebook, design printables, or take stock photos. The beauty of digital products is that they're a form of passive income. You create the product once, but you can sell it over and over again. It's like having a little digital shop open all the time, making sales even while you sleep. But creating the product is only half the battle. You also need to market it. That could mean using social media, creating a website, or leveraging email marketing. Remember, it's all about reaching the right audience with the right product. Create once, sell forever. That's the beauty of digital products. Get paid for shopping. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But with cashback and rewards programs, it's more reality than fantasy. These programs are a simple yet effective way to earn while you spend. You might be wondering, how do they work? Well, they're pretty straightforward. You make purchases through their platforms or use their affiliated cards and voila, you earn a percentage back in cash or rewards. Now let's talk about maximizing these rewards. First, always compare programs. Not all cashback sites offer the same rates. Second, take note of bonus categories. Some programs offer higher cashback rates for certain categories like groceries or gas. Finally, consider pairing cashback apps with rewards credit cards. This way, you're earning rewards twice on the same purchase. As you can see, cashback and rewards programs are an easy way to earn extra cash without putting in too much effort. So, shop smart, earn rewards. It's a win-win. So there you have it. Countless ways to make $500 online. We've taken you on a journey from freelancing platforms to micro jobs, from online surveys to affiliate marketing. We've shown you how to cash in on your unused items, offer online services, teach or consult, and even create digital products. And let's not forget the cashback and rewards programs, or the powerful leverage of social media. It's an exciting world out there, ripe with opportunities for anyone with an internet connection and a bit of determination. It's about exploring these methods, finding out what suits you, and giving it your best shot. Remember, while we've focused on the easy ways, it doesn't mean no effort. Your diligence, your consistency, that's what will set you apart. So keep learning, keep hustling, and keep moving forward. Remember, the key is consistency. Now go out there and make that $500.